comparison to the wild.
How long is that?
8 years if they're lucky in the wild, 90% mortality first year. Here at the park, 15 years plus is about our average for hand-raised cheetahs like this. Pretty short-lived cats, though.
How many cheetahs are there left in the wild?
About 10,000 average. Not too many. A young lady asked a very, very important question up here. She said, how many cheetahs are left in the wild, Mike? Michelle said they're critically endangered, 50-50 chance of extinction within the next 10 years. Approximately 10,000 total cheetahs on the planet. That means in zoological institutions as well. On a busy day here at the park in the summertime, we get 10,000 people that come through. Gives you an idea. Majority of the cats are still in the wild, but breeding efforts such as the one taking place, I'm sorry, in the country is maybe. Namibia is a stronghold of cheetahs. Tanzania, South Africa. Namibia is probably the hot spot these days, but even still, there's not that many.
When it comes to exotic animals,
What's he looking at? What's on there?
In the wild, you're looking at probably about 7,000. Yeah, that's an estimated number.
his training is almost 365 years. Whereas like the behavior is like we can come back to him.
That's pretty much what the relationship is based on. The dog acts as kind of a security blanket for the cat. I was just saying, they get chased off and killed by vultures in the wild. They're easily frightened. Raising him with the dog, we've utilized that domestic nature in the dog to act as kind of the perfect